Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I have my design team stamps for the month of May to share with you, as well as some other products. So if you're not familiar with the Not2Shabby shop, this is the little card. So it's Not2ShabbyShop.com. There is a rewards program, so for every $1 you spend, you get points, and for every 100 points, you get $5 off your order. There's free shipping on US orders over $60, and for international and my fellow Canadians, the shipping is very reasonable. So I encourage you to go check out Not2ShabbyShop.com. Jamie has a ton of new stuff coming into the store. So Jamie made this adorable little tag for the design team package. It says, "Have a beautiful day." This is from her first stamp for the Not2Shabby shop, which we featured last month. There is a blog hop, and you can search for that on YouTube if you want to go back and watch those videos. So this one was called Let's Do Coffee. I am going to show you the second release. So why don't I do that now? So this is the newest release, which is absolutely adorable. It's called Woodland Buddies. It's a critter stamp set, so it has my heart for sure. I'm definitely partial to critter stamps. So there's the adorable little bunny and the fox and the squirrel and the little hedgehog, and then there's a bunch of elements to go along to make great scene cards. Jamie did a really great review of this stamp on her channel, so I will link that below as well so you can see how she colored up all the images. So my design team stamp for May is the Pink and Main Fiesta, which I think is absolutely adorable and I think is going to be a lot of fun to create with. Jamie still has these in the shop, so feel free to go and grab one and you can create some cards with me during the month of May. I also picked up the Pink and Main, the Cloudy Frame dies, which, how awesome is it that they have pink dies? I was thinking when I got these, wouldn't it be great if each stamp company colored their dies a different color and then you would automatically know which company they're from? That would be cool. But my first set of dies from Pink and Main, I think these are adorable. They'll be really great for setting scenes, and I think for shaker cards as well. So you'll be seeing these this month from me. I also picked up the CC Designs Yum Yum Cupcake. Jamie's had this in the shop for a while. She does have a few left. These are absolutely adorable and a little sentimental for me because a dear man that was in my life for a number of years used to call my mom and I Cupcake. So I just had to get this, and I'm going to create some cards. Unfortunately, we lost him this year, so I feel like this one just kind of has a special place in my heart, but I'm excited to design with this stamp set for sure. I also picked up some of the Nuvo Crystal Drops. So the Gloss White, which Jamie has in the shop. Is this one the Carnation? Yes, this is the Carnation Pink. And Jamie has this one in the shop too, and the Bubblegum, which is currently sold out, but I suspect Jamie will get more given the popularity of the Nuvo drops. And Jamie had the new Nuvo masking fluid, and I suspect she will also get more of these in the shop, as I know a few of the design team members picked this up. And so I'm excited to try this out. I've never used a masking fluid, and it's something that I've always wanted to try out. So really looking forward to using that. Of course, I also picked up some of the new Doodlebug collection. So I picked up the 6x6 paper pad and the mini icons for the Sweet Summer collection, which I think is going to be a huge hit this summer. So I did take the other sheet of the icons out so you can see all the little icons. So adorable. I think my favorite is definitely the little Ghetto Blaster, but of course loving the pineapple, and I love the little seagulls too. Oh my gosh, they're so precious. So I'm really excited to create some cards with that. And the paper pad, as always, Absolutely adorable. I love that they put in a grass paper. I feel like I'm going to want to use every single piece of this for grass borders on my cards. Loving that. So nice to have like a versatile kind of paper that you'll use for everything. So here's the different patterns. I don't know if this one's picking up. It's a brown with palm trees. Love the colored polka dots. There are some little cut aparts. Cute. The fruit paper, which is adorable. Some waves, which is great again for making some simple cards with just pattern paper. Love the little suns, and then the ice cream cones are simply adorable. I love that they included little snow cones in this collection. So some music notes, some large polka dots, stripes, plaid, just perfect. Some little border strips, and this is so stinking cute, all the little drinks. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. Some yellow stripes. This floral pattern is absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors that they chose. They're so bright and fun. Some pink pattern. This one here is flower, and then the polka dot, and then it just repeats. So that is my haul and design team package this month from Not2Shabby. Let me just grab Jamie's newest release. This will be released mid-May, so you will be able to get your hands on it then. I think it's going to be super popular given its adorableness. So thanks everybody for watching. I will see you all really soon in another video. Take care. Bye.